Hughes Power System presents new products, accessories for the Hughes pole-mounted products. Grounding System Cable Theft Alarm. Cable theft alarm is installed inside the control cabinet and is suitable for motor drives, reclosers, sectionalizers, and other control cabinet units. The theft alarm purposes are to receive immediate notification when the grounding system is missing, to help to prevent big electrical hazardous risks for the operator or general public, to avoid receiving false measuring information from the remote device, to make it possible to repair the grounding system in the shortest time. The accessory has 3 indicators and 1 test button. Power on with a constant blue LED indicator, OK with green LED displaying that ground system is normal, alarm with red LED displaying that the ground wire is cut, test button for testing the operation of the device. When a ground wire of the control cabinet is cut, the red LED button is activated and an immediate notification is sent to a SCADA system. Hughes Grounding System Theft Alarm is in high demand in regions with a big number of copper cable thefts. For more detailed information, please follow the link in the description. By designing and producing our own parts and components, we bring your individual ideas to life.